What's going on, Hoodstick gang? You all join me with this 800 brake horsepower Nissan Skyline R33 GTR with a built RB26 engine built by TR Racing, which is capable of over 1000 bhp, which is tuned on a Haltech ECU which screams through a full custom titanium Tomei exhaust system. This R33 is safely wrapped with a Cusco roll cage and short grips on all fours with work wheels which has increased J size wrapped with R888 tyres. This is one wild car to be in, so buckle up, Hoodstigs, and enjoy the POV. And don't forget to follow Shabs GTR and all his crazy car builds.
Third, fourth gear is unbeatable, bro.
Fourth gear, long.
Crazy, innit? Look at that.
It's fucking freezing.
Oh, no, he's probably going Meriden. Yeah, he's going Meriden. What, G? One is 1.9 bar.
No, but there's 10 less though, because it's 10% of the race gate.
Oh, is it?
So if it's 21, if it's 31, it's really 21. If it's 41, it's really 31. You need to have 31 PSIs. Well, that's something lower PSI.
What was that? What was that? That was boost car, innit?
The wrong setting.
The brakes are good, what about? The brakes are sick. See how it grips in the bend? Yeah. Most car can never do that. Just about, bro.
So in the last two videos I told us, we diagnosed and we thought that the head gasket has gone up because it kept on overheating. We decided to get a leak down test. The leak down test is powered up with the compressor which goes down each cylinder to see if there's any leaks. And with each cylinder you have to rotate the crankshaft one full turn. If it doesn't hold pressure, then air is escaping through the radiator or the gasket itself.
It's holding it. It's actually holding now.
It's crazy because we have got no leaks, so we have got a blockage in the radiator. So we removed the old radiator and we brought a new radiator from eBay.
A new radiator for this. See if that solves the problem. This is a new radiator that we got.
It wasn't straightforward because the new radiator had to get new brackets installed, which we drilled new holes, got new brackets. We just hope that in this test drive, the car gets fixed. So I'm really looking forward to this.
Let's bounce. Flies, isn't it? The last video, the temperature just kept going above half. So we thought the head gasket, but we didn't head gasket checked. The pressure was all holding up. There was no leaks in the engine. So we just got a new radiator. Working good now. Follow him up, man. TA Motors. I'm surprised it's holding up. Maybe I should give it a bit more.
Soarer.
Yeah. Mad, yeah. Nah, the auto box is stopping me from going faster. Madness. We're back. Yeah.
As well, no smoke.
Yeah, no smoke. It's driving good. It's driving good. What a crazy driver.
That is rocket.
Yeah, it's fast, isn't
That is
it?
a rocket.
If this was manual, it'd be a different story, but...
Oh, look at that.
Oi, he's... Oi! Oh my god, he's flying!
So that went extremely unexpectedly well. So we decided later on in the evening we'll do some further testing.
I don't know what number test drive this is, but we just found out that the old radiator was blocked. One side was cold and the top bit was hot, but now they're both warm together. So at this stage, we just found out that it was just a blocked radiator, so now it's going to be working fine. So let's just drive for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes flat. If it overheats, it overheats, but we drove last time and there was no overheat, but now we're just fully making sure that it doesn't overheat. So let's hit the highway. More than 10 minutes, it's on a quarter of a temp, and that is really healthy. So I'm really pleased with that.
Yeah.
Fix the car.
Soarer.
There was no head gasket. It was a joke. The car is good. Surviving.
That's a pathetic one.
Chitty chitty bang bang. Yeah, man. Let's park this up. Now the Toyota Soarer is back into the unit. We cleaned it up, polished it up, got it ready. It is going to go up for sale on the market. It's going to have to go. I mean, we'd love to keep it and we'd do a manual swap on it, but we are on better plans. We have brought another car. So like I said, the Soarer was working fine. No issues whatsoever. It wasn't a head gasket. I don't know why I thought that in the first place. The leak test and that pretty much basically was saying, yeah, the engine's good, bro. Don't strip me apart and change your gasket. It's a waste of money, but the car's good. Like I said, this is basically the end of an era for the Toyota Soarer. We are debating whether to put this to a raffle competition, and the STV at the back, which you can see right there. That is something on the pipelines, but we're not 100% sure. So if you guys enjoyed the video of the Toyota Soarer, drop a thumbs up, drop a like, and drop a comment down below what you all think. I hope somebody learns from this video. Before you think your head gasket's gone, just do those necessary checks, because it will save you a lot of money. I'll see you guys in the next video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.